What's up, guys? We got a little googly bear right here, and we have our P40 Lite Snaptain drone. We're gonna unbox this. We just got it from Best Buy for $349, and we're gonna use our trusty Harbor Freight knife to do that. Uh-oh, what's that? Look, it's George Washington history. Here you go. So let's, like, if I had to return this thing, I don't want the box to be all messed up. So I'm gonna carefully open it. So this is the P40 Lite from Snaptain. 3-axis gimbal 4K camera drone. We got 48 megapixels. It says max 31 minutes flight time. GPS positioning system. 6,000 meter FPV transmission range. So put that in perspective, that's 6 kilometers. Pretty far. So let's see, what do we got? Scan the QR code before first use. Whoa, Jimmy, let's not knock Jesus over. All right, cool, we got a carrying case. This is nice. I like that it has this. What else do we got? The knife. I think these are guards for... Yeah. I really like this case. It's a nice, like, sturdy. You can throw this in a backpack, go ride your dirt bike, go hike in the mountains, and you throw your drone in this case, dude, that's perfect. Dude or dudettes. You can always get a more sturdy case later on if you want to. I know Harbor Freight sells some good cases. First off, let's see what's in here. We have our user manual. Uh-oh, no, caca, no fireplace. Caca, no. We're gonna pinch our fingers in there, dude. Oh, I just pinched my finger. Come on, Jimmy Bear. Let's go watch some Miss Rachel until Daddy finishes this video. All right, here we go. Little one is watching some Miss Rachel. For the meantime, until I finish recording this, let's see. We got some bits and pieces. I know you guys want to see me get straight to the drone, but all right, we got some hardware. Probably our propeller screws. Some extra propellers. And three cables. Oh, nice. So we have USB-C, USB Android style, and lightning adapter. Cool. I think this is the battery. Nice. It's a nice little battery, fairly lightweight. By the way, these are like $60 a piece on the website, so you're gonna need more of these when you're doing your drone flights. There's battery. Looks like probably a charging cable. This is a heavier cable for sure. Yep. Got our charge cord right there. Oh, let's check out our drone, dude. I'm so excited for this thing. It's crazy because it looks bigger like in Best Buy, like the display. But I mean, once the arms fold out and all that stuff, it's so light. This dinky little thing, dude. Okay, so this, remove this cover and put it aside before you power on the aircraft. So it has a cover. I think this is to keep the camera safe. I'm like really trying not to freaking break this. There we go. Oh, there's our little tiny gimbaled camera. Yeah, whoa. What is this, like a rubber? Oh, this is a rubber clip. Okay, there we go. And they just... I mean, I don't know how sensitive these things are, like as far as little film off, man. It's really lightweight. Hopefully it flies for a long time. Here's our controller. So definitely keep this, keep that. We're gonna have to read the manual, because sometimes, like, yeah, it's cheesy reading the manual, but it really does and can help. Bend this thing back. Once it stops there, leave it there. And it folds like that. So to put it back, lay this one down, snap that one down like that. Snap. I feel like it would be easy to break these. But all right, right off the bat, all right, there's your camera. Look down, look up, snap a picture. It's probably record right there. Oh, we need to install. There should be a set of, like, oh, they're right here. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so this doesn't come out. That stays there. Snap in like so. All right, I'm coming, baby boy. So there you have it. That's our unboxing of the Snaptain P40 Lite. And we will have more coming soon.